Hi dear students, welcome to my channel Learn All in One. Today we are discussing the skewness part 2, that is the practical part. So we will start from the individual series. The problem is here. The calculate the Carl Pearson's coefficient of a skewness. We may call it as shortly KPCS. Okay, KPCS also Carl Pearson's coefficient of a skewness in maybe shortly. So x values they have been provided here in the as per the problem 25, 15, 23, 40, 27, 25, 23, 25, 20. So we need to go for the deviations for this one. D is equals to x minus a. I have been took the assumed mean as a 20. You may take it the anyone. Okay. X value is here. The x minus a, it means a 20. We will get the 5. 15 minus 20, we will get the minus 5. Same as it is that 23 minus 20, we will get the 3. Same as it, you do it this and you will get the sigma d of an a 43. Okay, then when we are going to print total it, add the all the plus values and less the minus value, you will get the 43. Next, d square, make it the d value into the d square. Okay, d value into the d square. 5 square is 25, 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. Same, you have been do it for all these things. Okay, you will get the sigma d square is 567. You will get the 567 is a sigma d square. Next we will go for the finding of an x bar. X bar is the mean. We need to find out the mean, mode and standard deviation. For the calculation purpose, as per the formula is there, sk is equals to mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. Okay, the Pearson's coefficient formula is sk is equals to mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. Firstly, we need to go for the finding of a mean. X bar is equals to a plus sigma d divided by n. It is assumed mean formula, so that we need to be put it the assumed mean. A means 20. I have been already here put it the 20 assumed mean. Assumed mean is the 20 plus 43. Sigma d is 43. You will get the 43 divided by 9. 9 means number of observations. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The total number of observations is 9. So that 9. Sort out it. When you are going to be a sort out this problem means you will get the x bar is 24.78. Next, mode is the 25. Because why the mode is 25 means the highest repeated values. Okay, the highest repeated values is how many times the 25 has been repeated. 1, 2, 3, and also you will get the 23 also 2 times it has been repeated. 23, 23, it has been repeated for the 23. Okay, you should not find out the 27 is the highest or the 40 is the highest. The highest value is not should be considered. The highest time repeated value should be considered in the individual series. Okay, in the individual series the highest time repeated value should be considered. Okay, when we come to the mode is 25. We have been found because it has been repeated for the 3 times. Next, we will go for the finding of a standard deviation. Standard deviation is equals to square root of sigma d square divided by n minus open the bracket sigma d divided by n whole square. Okay, when we will go for the putting of a sigma d square total is 567 divided by the number of observations is 9 minus sigma d total is 43. For the 43 divided by n, we go for the sorting of this, you will get the 43 divided by 9, you will get the 4.77 whole square. Okay, when we will go put it, when you will make it the 4.77 into 4.77, you will get it the 22.75. You will get the 22.75. Next, minus 63 minus 22.75, you will get the 40.25. Then the standard deviation, remove the square root, you will get the standard deviation of 6.434. Okay, go for the, now we have been find out all these things on mean, mode and the standard deviation. Next is the Pearson's coefficient. X bar means a mean, it is a mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. We know that the mean is 24.78 minus 25, the z. Okay, z is a mode, that is a 25, divided by 6.34, then that's become my, when we will make it the divided by standard deviation, the standard deviation is the 6.34, then sort out it, you will get the Carl Pearson's coefficient. This is the negatively skewed, okay, because the minus has been arisen, minus 0.34 negatively skewed, okay. The next another problem is on based on the discrete series, okay, that is discrete series with the assumed mean. So we will go for the problem. From the following data, find the Carl Pearson's coefficient of a skewness. Okay. They have been provided the problem here. X values, size 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then the frequency 2, 4, 10, 8, 5, 1. Make it the total. Total is the 30. Okay, the total is 30. Directly we will go for the finding of any deviations. That's a x minus a. I have been took care as a 12. Okay, that is the 12 x minus a assumed mean. 10 minus 12 is equals to minus 2. 11 minus 12 is equals to 1. 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. So on, so you will do it this, you will get all these values. Then d square, the square it, 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 0 0, that is d square is over. Next we will come to the fd. Okay, f into d is equals to fd. Okay, 2 into minus 2 you will get the minus 4. 4 into minus 1 you will get the minus 4. 10 into 0 you will get the 0. 8 into 1, sorry, 8 into 1 you will get the 8. 5 into 4 you will get the, sorry, here is it, 5 into 2 you will get the 10, then you will get it that 1 into 3 you will get the 3. That make it the total. Add all the plus values and less it these two, 8, it will become minus 8. You will get the 13 value. Okay, you will get the 13 value. Then fd square, f into d square is fd square, minus 2 into, sorry, 2 into 4 you will get the 8. That 4 into 1, 4. 10 into 0 you will get the 0. 8 into 1 you will get the 8. 5 into 4 you will get the 20. 1 into 9 you will get the 9. Total add it all these things, you will get the 9. Then we need to find out three things, that is firstly mean, next mode, next standard deviation. Let us go for the finding of an mean. Here same, x minus x is equal, sorry, x bar is equals to a plus sigma fd divided by n. X bar is equals to, assumed mean is 12, we got that sigma fd is a 13. Here is the answer is sigma fd is a 13, then divided by 30. The n is the total number of observations is the 30, that is equals to 12 plus, make it the 13 divided by 30, you will get the 0.43. The mean is 12.43, you will get the 12.43. Find out the mode. How to find the mode in the discrete series? Size of the highest frequency is 10. See here, the size of the highest frequency is 10. The size of the highest frequency corresponding to that value. Okay, corresponding to that value, corresponding to that value, corresponding means equals to that value, that is at 12. That is the 12 corresponding to that frequency is this is a frequency size is the mode is, that is 12. Okay, so that highest frequency, okay, we need to find out in this discrete series, we need to find out the highest frequency. In the individual series, the highest repeated value. In the discrete series, the highest frequency is corresponding to that value is called the mode. We got it that mode. Then we will go for the finding of a standard deviation. We will go for the finding square root of a sigma fd square divided by n, open the bracket, sigma fd divided by n, sigma fd divided by n. We know the sigma fd square, sigma fd square is the 49. 49 divided by 30, n is the 30. Then sigma fd is an 13 divided by 30. Sort out all these things, you will get it the standard deviation of this one. Okay, standard deviation is equals to 1.2024. Then we find out the coefficient, skewness. Okay, skewness, coefficient of skewness, Hall Pearson skewness. That is equal mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. However, you can write it may be a mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. However, you can go for the writings. So put the values whatever you have been find it, okay, regarding to the mean, mode and the standard deviation. You will get the answer of a positively skewed because it is a positive value, so that it is a positively skewed value. Okay, then the another part is there, that is a continuous series. Calculate the Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. The values has been given here. The class intervals 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20, so on, so 20 to 24. The frequency has been provided the 4, 10, 16, 30, 20, 4, 6. The total become n is 100. Then find the m. Okay, m is that 11, that is the mid value. How to find the mid value means 12 plus 10 divided by 2, make it that 22. Okay, 22 divided by 2 means you will get the 11. Same, mid value 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22. It is not a big thing that you need to increase the two numbers, because when the class intervals are difference is 2, you need to increase the 2, difference should be 2. Okay, then go for the FM. Okay, go for the CF, that is not a FM. Yes, go for the FM. Okay, that is the class differences is out there. Go for, okay, F into M is the FM. FM is here. F is 4, M is 44. Okay, 4 into 11 44, 10 into 13 130, so on. So you need to do it all these things, then you will get the sigma FM is 1736. After the finding of an FM, after finding of an FM, go for the D. Okay, D is M minus X bar, that is X bar. We need to find out that X bar is the mean, so go with the X bar is equals to sigma FM divided by N, that is equals to 1736 is the FM, sigma FM 1736 divided by N is the 100, total you will get the 17.36. We can't do it with the assumed mean here, because it is not an individual series, it is not in a discrete series. We need to do it with an actual mean. Whatever the continuous series problems is are there, we need to go with the actually. Okay, because we can't select it the anyone as an assumed. So here is that we got it, the X bar is 17.36. please be write it here, you should not when get confused means you need to write it here, you will get the very easily, we can do it very easily problems. Okay, M is the middle value, M is 11 minus 17.36, you will get the 6.36. Then 13 minus 17.36 means 4.36, so on. So you will do it all these values. Okay, do it this all these values, you will get the till last uh, 23 minus 17.36 means you will get the 5.64. Next go for the squaring of these values, do it the all the squaring of these values, you will get the 6.36 square is 40.44. Same, you need to do it all these values, you will get the lastly 5.64 square is 3.81. Okay, next that is the FD square, F into D square, FD square. Okay, F is here, then the D square. 4 into 40.44, you will get the 161.76. 10 into 19 190, so on. So you should be do it, you will get the value of a sigma FD square, that is 874.32. now we are having a need to find out the mean, mode and the standard deviation. Let us go for the finding of a, already we have been find out the mean, need not to find out the mean, then we need to go for the finding of a mode. The highest frequency in the problem is 30, corresponding to that classes, that is the highest frequency. In the continuous series also we need to see the frequency. The highest frequency is the 30, corresponding to that value is 1680. Okay, the corresponding to that value is 1680. It is the class intervals. 1680 is the class intervals. Corresponding to that value, we need to go for the finding of a mode with the calculations, the usual calculations. We need to go for the usual calculation. Some of member do it with the delta 1 and delta 2. Okay, like that, but we are doing the common method. L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1, and also I have been write it all those things. F0 is the 16, f1 is the 30, f2 is the 20. Here is there f0. Okay, sorry, hold on a second here. F0 is 16 here. F0 is 16. It will become the F0, and the F1 is 30. It will become the 30. The highest frequency will become the F1. It will become F0. This will become the 20 is become the F2. The C is, okay, the C is the common factor. The common factor is the difference between these two is 2. Then the L, the lower level is the 16, the lower level is the L is the 16, so that the 16 should be write it here. Let us go for the doing the problems. L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 into f1 minus f0 minus f2 into 6. Put the values. L is 16, the L is 16 is there, f1 is a 30, the minus f0 is the 16 divided by substituting the formulas in the values. We will get the mode is 17.16. Okay, by we need to substitute all the values and you will get the 17.16. Then we find it the mean, mode, then the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equals to sigma fd square divided by n. This is what the short formula here. Standard deviation is equals to, put the value of sigma fd square. Sigma fd square is 874 divided by 32 divided by 10, and that value is arises 8.74. We will get the standard deviation of 2.95. That skewness is equals to Carl Pearson's skewness of Carl Pearson's equals to mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. That's a 17.36. The mean is 17.36. Here is the mean 17.36 the mean, and mode is here, that is mode 17.16. Standard deviation is 2.95. Substitute the values and you will get the skewness in the positive, because it is 0.06. Always it should be in the minus to plus value, minus 0 to plus 0. Okay, within that only the value should be rises. Okay, right. Further things we will discuss in the next class. Till now we have been discussed all the series in the Carl Pearson's, that is individual series and discrete series and the continuous series. And another one is there, another formula is there with the help of a mode. When the mode is ill defined, when the mode is ill defined, we will discuss in the next. And also regarding to the quartiles also there, we will discuss in the next video. We will cover it all these problems in the next videos. Have a nice day to one and all. Thanks for watching. Share it to your friends. Thank you.